Hello everyone, I'm very excited to show last 2 months our student best improvement works with you all guys. I hope you will like it. If you like it, kindly put comment and appreciation in the comment box. Along these videos, I'm going to explain how to select right art class for your child. If you are not joined at my class, this message for you, and how to handle this creativity side. If your child is always sketching more on anime, manga, this kind of characters, maybe if you are not having the design or art background, how to handle this creativity side for your child. That point. And the third point, which I'm going to begin with as a first point, is that how to handle this natural talent. We may call this as a hobby, or maybe we call this as a like art, whatever it is. This is the natural talent which your child having as a sketching. Okay, first one, age between many parents, I'm saying they're addressing this talent before 7 years also, but 7 years to 20 years in between these particular areas. If you found your child naturally, they found a lot of interest for sketching, especially for this anime, manga, cartoon character, this all the areas. This subject name called character sketching. Sketching they have as a natural talent. How some students have natural talent as a singing, music, like this. This child have the as a creativity energy flow is coming out as a sketching point. Okay, that's one. So when this subject name called character sketching, when you know this is not only belongs to the typical art, this also belongs to art and the design, both side. Why? Because this sketching skill helps all the creators in the design industry who want to bring their ideas and concepts into the visual first. From there, they will build the new product or new designs or new stuffs and all the things. That communication skill is the sketching. Okay, it's a core skills. It's a human manually doing it. It's a very powerful skills to build these skills. It's a very important. Character sketching and concept sketching are very important skill for any creators, anyone in this design field or is in the art field. Number one. Number two, if a child naturally having this particular skill, how to handle, how to guide them. Okay, this is the second point. What you need to guide? First, you need to select the right art class for your child. Very simple. Understand your child talent part and same time choose the art class based on the child talent areas. There will be a lot of different classes. You need to understand which style, which medium is matching with your child interest. Got it? So like example, if a child is more into the drawing realistic face, those kind of things, then you need to choose for the portrait classes. If a child is more into mandala art, like those kind of doodle arts, then you need to choose mandala art, doodle art class for them. If a child is more into anime style, manga style, keep on drawing more and more characters and all the things, you need to choose for the character sketching class. Got it? So if your child is more into putting a lot of natural drawing and all the things like outdoor drawings and all the things, then you have to help them to join for the landscape sketches classes and all the things. Yeah, that is one. You need to learn the subject first, then you can choose the mediums. That medium can be digital, watercolor, oil color. These all things are mediums where you need to touch as a second part. First part, you need to choose the right art class. That is very important. Step number two. Understanding your child natural talent and selecting your child class based on their interest areas. Choosing the right art class. That is the second point. And the third point is very important. What is learning stage and what is creativity stage? What is the creation stage? Okay, how we can keep this as a hobby, or is there is any possibilities? Can we take this into become a career side? Yeah. See, right now the child have a lot of interest, a lot of energy. That's what when they see, they start keep sketching it and all the things. The energy flow is there, the energy connection is there with the creativity. That's what they're doing it. Super, fantastic. It is called learning stage. In the learning stage, there are two things. One is self-learning, self-thought. There is one limit. From that much only we can do it. After that, we need teacher or mentor or courses to learn and understand how other professional person will sketch the same things. How the person who created that particular reference, what logic he followed, how he sketched. Those things this child need to learn. Okay, if age 10 and above, it's easy to learn this. Okay, so when they learn that, they'll come to know all the method, technique, principles and process and all the things. Once they will understand this and they will use this to draw that particular characters, the particular reference, whatever it is, then they will understand very clearly how to approach particular reference, how to get into that process and all the things. Once that comes, then this will be a bridge between just seeing and drawing visual representation into by using the method to create. This will lead them into the next stage to draw things with reference or otherwise without reference. They can see the reference, otherwise they could go and see the for inspiration purpose the outdoor things and other stuff. They can draw the same things also more easily, and same time they also can create from their own ideas on concept things and all the things. When they'll reach from the beginner stage into this advanced stages, they reach the creator stage. There is no age limit. Okay, anybody can reach these levels. It's not necessary you need to wait for like 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, all the things. This is just a learning part. You are in the beginner stage, learn method, principle, process, all the things and everything properly from other persons and get and do stuff through using that. Second, after that and slowly attempt, there is again learning how to draw things from your own ideas and concept. Once you start doing it, then you will become a creator. You are not learner no more. Okay, we need to learn small things. That's okay. Once you start creating from your own, you are become a creator. As a creative person, you reach certain levels in your creativity side. Once that comes, you can keep that particular skill as a hobby for lifetime. You can able to keep. Okay, you are not learner, you are creating stuff. Whenever you have found times, all things, you can able to create your own character, concept, things, all the things. Okay, on same time, some of the parents or some of the students who get more interested to get into this particular things, they will be connected more into these areas, because the sketching skill will be used not only art and design field. The sketching skill also will be used to your normal degrees, normal other areas, science drawings, physics drawings, correct? Many areas. People can keep this as a hobby also, and same time people can take this one into become a career side. If you want to go to the career side, you need to finish your degree. That is called Bachelor of Design. It's a 4 years degree, as like engineering is the common word. Like this Bachelor of Design is the common word. Inside of the Bachelor of Design, how engineering have mechanical, civil, electrical, like this different branches, different areas. Similarly, in the design also you have product designs. Okay, and the product design also there's a lot of varieties is there, and you have the game design, fashion design, interior design, architect, game animations, there's a lot of varieties there. Inside there is more and more specialization is there. You can choose. Once you get your learning path in this age between 10 to 20 in between areas, where you turn this skill, the sketching interest into becoming a creator, creation skill, then you can able to experience it, you can able to understand what works for you. You can keep it as a hobby, or you can get it into the career and all the things. So once you choose the right art class, this all the things that all will happen next like this slowly. Okay, so if you choose the wrong art classes, you may lose your own interest, because every things we call art classes, the class subjects will be different based on the method, based on the style, based on the medium and the area. If you choose the wrong art class, they teach right things according to them, according to the subject. Maybe if your interest and your core skill area, if it's not matching it, you feel it is not right, otherwise you don't feel the satisfaction of the learning and other things. That is the time you slowly start doubting, because even though if you are tiger, if you are not in that particular community, particular group, you start doubting your own self. Got it? That's what happened. It's a very important understanding your talent and being on that particular environment and the particular community, particular group and particular class. That will help you to see your senior or junior, how they're learning, how they're improving, how they're going, what are the choice is there, how they're choosing the choice and how they're moving forward and all the things. If you look at this as just a hobby, you can keep it this as just a hobby. If you are taking this as it is your natural talent, you want to create something, you want to make your hobby time as like more fun time, more positive times and all the things, definitely you can do this. Or same time you want to take more seriously that you want to make career based on your talent areas, your strength areas, you have opportunities. It's not like just you do it and you live it. There is no career opportunities. No, there is a degree, finish the degree, then you can get into any field. Yeah. If your child is sketching more on this particular areas, anime, manga, character, all the things, this message is more than enough to handle your child creativity spot, creativity areas more easily. This don't disturb on your any regular activities or regular stuffs. Got it? Yeah. If a child is more interested on this anime, manga, this kind of character sketching areas, if you are not joined at my course, please click the link below and join my demo class. The demo class will go 60 minutes to 90 minutes. I will cover everything step by step. I also will teach for your child so that you will get the experience, you will get the more knowledge about this particular areas. Then you can take your decision. When you are joining my demo class, you have to join with your paper and pencil so that you can sketch along with me. I'll be sketching, I'll be teaching you character sketching method, how to approach, how to learn, and same time what is techniques, how techniques are need to be learned. Second, third things I'll be teaching you what is the procedure, what is the process, principles, those kind of stuff. And more than that, if you are always learn from your own self all the sketches and everything, if you've done it so far, you need to correct your foundations. The foundation will be corrected even in the demo class itself. Okay, your beginner level is not required because already you will be sketching the beginner level almost 80 to 90% well. You need to correct the foundation here and that one I will be correcting it on the demo class 100%. Yeah, once everything is corrected and all the things, you can sketch like this. Whatever work you saw so far, this is all my students' work. Okay, this is how they're improving, this is how they're sketching, this is how they're being in the same sketching environment. They're moving the journey together with Artupskill. Yeah, click the link below and join my demo class. I'll see you online. Bye bye.